Hello out there, friends of the Space Coupe. Finally some good news after a 20-month hiatus. We're back to work on the car. Going to be grinding down and sanding down all the scars from the welding and filling holes and just basically getting the car perfectly smooth, ready for paint.